Hello. In this lesson, I'll give you a brief history of Visual Studio and outline the editions of Visual Studio that are being sold today by Microsoft. In addition, I'll outline some of the features of Visual Studio 2015 Community Edition, which is the software we will be using for this class. Visual Studio is Microsoft's premier development tool. There are other tools they offer, but this is the main product that programmers use to develop software for the Microsoft environment. The first version of Visual Studio was released in 1997. It's been around for a while and has undergone significant change since its introduction. Unlike many other products in the Java development environment, Visual Studio is targeted for the Windows operating system. Visual Studio's core features include a code editor, a debugger, several different designers, a team explorer, and a server explorer. It's designed to be the one-stop place for all development tasks. The current version of Visual Studio is 2015. Visual Studio comes in a number of editions. The Professional Edition is the entry-level paid product. Next is the Enterprise Edition that includes all of the features and is the most expensive of the editions. There's also a Test Professional Edition that contains some of the specific features that support the quality assurance function. The last edition is the Community Edition, which is the version we'll be using for this class. It is offered at no charge and includes a code editor and a debugger. It also includes the ability to connect to Visual Studio Online, which I'll be demonstrating later in this course. The Community Edition also includes a mobile emulator to support the development for both Windows and Android phones. Once we have installed Visual Studio, I'll take you through a brief sample C# program. This program will be the typical first program you build in a software development environment, Hello World. Even though it's a simple example, it will illustrate how to create a new program, compile and execute the program, make a simple change to the program, and recompile it, and also save the code so that it can be modified later. In this lesson, I have given you a brief overview of Visual Studio and some of the additions that are offered, as well as some of the features of Visual Studio 2015 Community Edition. Although the software does not contain all the features of the Enterprise Edition, it contains most of the features that programmers use on a daily basis. In the next lesson, I'll outline a sample program that we will be building. So I'll see you in the next lesson, and thank you very much.